Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you another app you can use to generate a realistic photo of yourself or anybody, and it is for free. So follow me as we go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Type Media AI. When you type Media AI, you will take you automatically to this app. We take you automatically to this app. This is image to video, and you can do it for free. What you are going to do is to go click on that image to video, and you upload the picture of your choice. Make sure you upload the picture that shows your face without makeup, so that you will get exactly what you want. You will see the samples of my own picture. You see that is exactly my face. So post upload a picture that shows exactly of your face without makeup, because I have tried it and it showed. Then what else you do is to add your own prompt, or if you like the prompt they wrote there, you can use it. But if you don't like the prompt, you can add your own prompt on it and wait for it to generate. So after adding your own prompt, you click on what generate, but make sure at the end you say do not change the face. Leave the face exactly as the uploaded word picture, so that it will give you what you do what want. And anytime you are uploading a picture, make sure you are using one picture. Also, I know why I'm telling you that I have tried it. I noticed if you are giving in different type of picture, it will not master your face. But if you want AI to master your face, give it only one picture and there is no makeup on your face, and it will automatically give you what you want. Let's wait for a few moments. You will see the picture, it come out very well and nice, and you can easily download it to your phone without any watermark. So guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel for another teaching like this, because I will be giving you many apps that you can use to generate your picture even without photo shoot studio. You can generate a nice picture of yourself. So let's wait for it. You choose the font you want the picture to be. If it's 9 to 16, any font you choose it. See the picture. It's already generated it. Let's see the picture. It is very nice. Just what you need is your face and your what? Your prompt. You are good to go. Remember I told you to add a picture of yourself that is showing your face, and let that your face be clear. And do not make it was simple. Just say it very nice and fantastic. So let me show you how you can easily download it to your phone. Click on that icon beside that generate video. You can also, when you click it, automatically download to your gallery, and you can also use the app to what? To generate videos of your choice. So remember to do what? Like, share, drop your comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.